your name? Bakit naman I state your name then? Ulit, take to. Sabihin nyo yung pangalan nyo. Oh, pumili kayo, men. Okay. Of Pangaskasan Integrated School. Having been elected, state your position. Okay. State your organization. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my present position that I have clearly understood and will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and of the issuances by the Department of Education. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Thank you.